conquer snowy roads completely. Evolution of the popular biathlon series. New Biathlon Quick Easy Design. Let's see the installation method in detail. First of all, please verify the content of the components. Turn the spike side upside up and expand the chain sideways. While the arm is extended completely, verify that hook B has come off from the hull. For model numbers QE15 and higher, engage the hook A, C with each hull. Turn the spike side up to having the wire side near side. Turn half of the main unit of the chain from the point of the wire to the far side of the tire. Hold right side of one touch joint. Turn spike side outward and lift from the lower side by both hands along the tire. Next, hold left side of joint hull. Turn the spike side outward and lift it from lower side along the tire. Connect the collaboration hull with the lifted one-touch joint surely in the upper part of the tire. Connect an upper hook with the hull. Move it to drop the upper half of the main body of the chain fully to the back side of the tire. To make a lower hook easy to connect, hull and the main body of the chain downward. Draw it out outside of the tire and connect the lower hook with the hull. At this time, verify whether the other side joint is installed securely. It is likely to come off like this photo if the other side is not connected. Lastly, tighten the lock part. First of all, start from a lower lock part. Hold the entire lock part of lock, lift it up, and insert handle enclosed into the holes. For your information, it becomes easy to lock when you keep the lock part as far as possible from ground. Insert handle's pin all the way into the hole in the lock part. Make sure you use both hands to take the handle and turn beyond the stopper like the video picture to lock all three locks. The hook in two places must be engaged with the hull. Verify that the lock part in three places is surely tightened. For model numbers QE15 and higher, make sure extra hook number 3 and 4 is secured. The installation is completed. It is not at all needed to move or jack up a car to install. The other side of the seal of approval is the joint part. Please match the position of seal of approval to the position so that detachment is easy. First, disengage lock part. Release the lock part in three places using the handle. At this time, there is especially no order of unlocking. Next, disengage the hook with seal and the hook in the lock part that exists in a diagonal. Drop the main body of the chain in the upper part of the tire fully to the other side of the tire. For the front-wheel drive car, turn the steering wheel of the car in the direction where the joint on the other side is removed easily. Lift up the lever with the red joint hole by the finger and disengage the other side joint. For the rear-wheel drive car, move the handle to the other side and disengage the other side joint. For the front-wheel drive car, return the steering wheel after disengagement of the other side joint. Raise the main body of the chain up along the tire, extend it backward, and pave it on ground. Move the car and take out the chain unit. Now, detachment is completed. The BIATHLON Quick Easy promises a more comfortable and best snow road drive.
Oh